Hi guys, today we're making tamales. Here's the list of ingredients, and you can also find it on the description box below this video, along with links to the items I use to help me make this delicious dish. We're going to start off by making a sofrito. We're going to add half a cup of lard, which is just pork fat. We're going to add our green bell peppers and our white onion. Give that a nice stir. Now we're going to add our crushed garlic. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. We're going to add a teaspoon of cumin powder, a can of 8 ounces of tomato sauce, and we're going to add 2 pounds of pork chunks. We're going to let this cook covered for 25 minutes. And to this, we're going to add 3 pounds of freshly ground corn. We're going to mix this well, incorporate everything together, and we're going to add 1 cup of lard. We want it to have a creamy consistency. We're going to do a taste test, and I added another tablespoon of salt to the mixture. Now we're going to get the largest corn husks, and we're going to fold them in half and then the bottom up to make a pocket that we're going to fill with our mixture. You want to make sure to get a few pieces of meat inside as well. Now we wrap another large piece of corn husk and fold down the end, and we're going to wrap this. You're going to take a 14-inch string to secure it. You're going to tie it horizontally and then vertically, and then you're going to make a little bow tie, and you're all set. And you're going to repeat this process until you've used all of the mixture. Let's demonstrate this one more time. You take a piece of corn husk, you fold it like making a cylinder, and bring the end up. And this is going to make a pocket that you're going to fill. Then you're going to take another large piece of corn husk, and you're going to wrap it in the opposite direction. And then you're going to fold the end down, and you're going to wrap this with your string horizontally and then vertically. This is going to make sure that none of that filling comes out when you add it to the boiling water. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of salt to a large pot of boiling water, and then we're going to drop in our tamales for 45 minutes to an hour. And tamales are ready. I did mine in 2 batches. This is the second batch. If you have any left over, you can freeze them and then just add them to boiling salted water when you're ready to eat them again. You unwrap your tamale by removing the corn husks, and this is ready to be enjoyed.